let me go a little bit to this nationalism that we are seeing around the COVID, around vaccine, around production of medication and others. How do you think it would impact the WHO's program and the Gavi program, which was supposed to provide for those who cannot otherwise manage? Because there is both sides to it. As you know, one can understand, there is a need for countries. We are hearing it in India itself. People are saying, why are you exporting the vaccine when you need it here? And the same thing is happening in other countries. So I'm leading off the question from there.
Sunilji, I think that's a very legitimate question. And again, I would say the blame game walas will have their attitude and their approach. And I think as serious people, let's look at it. Today, as foreign minister, I am pushing other countries, particularly some big countries, saying, look, please keep the raw materials flowing for vaccines to be made in India. Okay. Now, why am I doing that? Because the fact is that there are global supply chains. There is nothing is made. Very few things are made exclusively in one geography. Very few societies can say we are autonomous of our reliance on others. So ask yourself this question. Can I, on the one hand, go around the world and tell people, guys, keep your supply chains flowing towards me? And by the way, the end product of that supply chain, I'm asking you for raw material, but I'm not going to give you the vaccine. So now, and look at the vaccine itself. I mean, today, your largest vaccine under production is an international product. It's a co-creation. It's a co-production. So, I think those who talk about, why are you doing this for the world? Why are we not? It's not that we are not prioritizing our people. I mean, as things got tough, we actually spoke to the world very honestly and said, look, we tried, we have done our best to live up to commitments, contractual commitments of producers, COVAX commitments, the Gavi stuff you spoke about. But right now, please understand that I have this very serious situation at home, and I think most countries understand that. But if you get into this, why are you exporting abroad at all? Then somebody else will ask, why am I exporting to India? And that is so short-sighted. I mean, only really irresponsible people, really non-serious people can make that kind of argument. And by the way, there are some around, as you would have noticed.
Correct. Correct.
ABP News आपको रखे आगे।